Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are doing word problems lesson 3 and we'll be doing question number 2, page number 210. I'll read the statement. 120 pupils went on an excursion to Nathia Gali. So there was a picnic and 120 pupils went on for the picnic. 55% of the pupils were girls and rest of the pupils were boys. How many boys went on the excursion? It's very simple question. Total pupils are given. How many? 120. If it is 100%, 100% means total. Okay. 50% of the pupils are girls. How many girls were there? 55% of the total. Okay. We just need to tell how many boys went on the picnic. Boys, how many? So first we will be finding out how many percent of boys they went for the picnic. Okay, we know that 100% is this, and out of this 100%, 55% they were girls, so rest were the boys. So 100% minus 55% is equal to 45%. So how many percentage of boys went for the picnic was 45%. We just need to convert this boys percentage into number. Okay, how? We know that 45% of total went for the picnic. 45% means 45 over 100. Off means multiply. Total how much? 120. Just solve this one. 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45, 2 6 are 12. 54 boys they went for the picnic. Okay, so rest were the girls. We can also calculate the number of girls, but it is not required. So this was the question number 2. Then on page 210, question number 3. Question number 3 is Anne spent 50% of her allowance on food, 30% of it on stationery, and saved the remaining amount. Her allowance was $15. How much money did she save? Okay, first thing is that total allowance, how much it is given? It is 15%. This is the income or allowance for the Anne. Okay, she spent 50% on food. Food how much? 50%. 30% on stationery. Stationery items how much? 30%. And remaining was saved. Okay, saving how much? We know that this is 100%. Out of this 50% was on food, 30% on stationery. So how much she spent? She spent 50% plus 30%, total 80% she spent. Okay, so what was the saving? It was total 100% minus how much spending? 80%. 20% she saved. Okay, you just need to tell that this saving percentage, okay, which is 20%, how much it is in terms of dollars. Okay, very simple. 20%, it means 20% of total is saving, of total amount is saving. Okay, 20% means 20 over 100, off means multiply, total is 15. 0 will go with this, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 will go with this. So $3. Okay, this is the amount she saved. Okay, which represents 20% of the total amount. So this was question number 3. Now I will be doing question number 4 on page number 211. Question number 4 says 3 athletes took part in an 8.5 kilometer relay race. There was a race for 8.5 kilometer. So total distance was for the race was 8.5 kilometer, which represents 100%. Okay, the first athlete ran 25% of the total distance. The second athlete ran 45% of the total distance, and the third athlete ran the remaining distance. How far did the third athlete run? Give your answer in meters. This is in kilometer, so answer should be in meters. First we need to see how much distance was covered by first and second athlete. How much? First he did 25% and the second he ran for 45%. If we add these two, we get 70% of the distance was covered by this first and second. Okay, so how much distance was covered by third? We write it like this: third runner distance covered, how much? Total is 100%. Just subtract this 70% which is done by first and second. So it means 30% of the distance was covered by third runner. We need to first convert this 30% into number. So how much was this is in percent? So in number, okay, we need to get the third runner's distance covered. Okay, 30% means 30 over 100. 30% of total is how much? 8.5. 0 will go with this. Okay, we can remove this point by putting this division sign, put 1, put 0. Okay, then we can divide 5 2s are 10, 5 17s are 85. Then we just multiply 17 3s are 51, 10 2s are 20. 51 divided by 20. So 51 divided by 20 means 22s are 40, 11, it is smaller, put 0.0, 5, it becomes 100, 100, 2.55. So 2.55 kilometer, this was the distance covered by third runner. We need to convert this kilometer into meters. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. It means if we multiply this 1 with 1000, we get 1000 meters. We just need to multiply 2.55 with 1000. There are 3 zeros. We need to move this point towards right side 3 times. 1, 2, there is nothing, 0 and 3. 2550. 2550 meters was the distance that was covered by third runner. So this is the answer.